Hey, what's up? Today we just gonna learn about the pathfinder sum option. We last class we just learn about the divide option. You know what is divide option, and I show you how to you cut down any kind of object in on your pathfinder option. So now today's gonna learn this option, this trim, and how it work, and this one, this merge option, how it's work. So now I'm just going to show you one by one. Then first we just need an object. You see that in here with this rectangle, then we just how to use this, just let me show. Then change the color. This is the pathfinder divide option. So how you, in last class I just show you how to cut it in divide. So you can if you cut it like divide, you just get every single shape like this. How? So you can cut in a pathfinder's divide option. It is really important and really effective. And now we have option to how to trim. Trim option, just select, you wanna choose, then press it, trim. So you have this red point, you know, this is a front part. So front part, when you just click in the trim, they just cut down, then they just cut down white shape, this red shape area, this black shape will be black shape area will be cut down. So this is how you can trim any kind of object like this. For example, we have this shape, so let me change this color. So I make it red, then just black. Okay, so we have this option. So how to cut in by divide, so you know that. And there's a trim, how to trim. Just we have this layout line, this red layout line, it will be cut down, and black layer will be cut down. So in that, how you just cut down any kind of object in here. It's pretty much simple thing. You just try. When you try it more again and again, you will be learn more better. So this is merge option, merge tool option. It's almost same like the trim. So when you just cut down, it will be cut down. Your background shape area, it will be cut down. So this one. So we have this crop option, and how to work in crop. When you just click it, you see this part and this part. So in here we have this middle part area, this part, this area. So when you click, when you just select any area you want to choose your middle point, then you can just crop option. When you click the crop option, it will be choose your midpoint area perfectly. So that's it. And I think this not it's not most important. So it has outline. Okay, so what is outline, or you may outline or stroke is mostly same, because last class some class ago we just talking about stroke. What is a stroke? So this stroke and outline is almost same. So just select all them, then click. So it will be outline your area. So your selected area will be outlined like this. So this is pretty simple. And this is the option unit. Okay, this unit part is really important. So when you have lot of object, you wanna just make it unit them, make it one color them, and just unit them. So this is really important. This is really important. So we have this green shape, we have this red shape. So just select them, and just when you click this unit part, it will be you see that it's totally joined together. It's one vector. It's just one object in here. There are no more two object in here. So this is really important. When just for example, I just gonna show you. We have this vector, this cute boy vector. So you see that it here lot of vector area, vector part in here. So when you just gonna select them total and make it unit, so you see that it's a totally is a one color and make it clip art style. So you see that, and how it works, we just select them and just click all this unit or unite option. So when you it will be go together. So that's it. So this here, so it will be just completely unit them. So this how you just unit any kind of object. That's pretty simple. So that's it for today. And so you can try this one. So you just change this color and how it's work. This option minus font, it will be minus your front option. So this front part area, you see that when you work in this place, crop place, this will be cut down this midpoint. So in here they just cut your front area part. This just minus front area part. So this how it's work. And the most important part, sometime you don't have this pathfinder option like this. So how to do that? Last class I already showed you. Go to Windows, this then pathfinder, search the pathfinder, search this is the pathfinder. Or you can press shift plus control plus F9 on your keyboard, you get this pathfinder option. So this I think this class is really effective for you. And please don't hesitate. If you have any question, if you can ask me, and I will try to give every single question answer. So in that how you just this really fun class, because this is really important when you just working on your project. So this really important because this cut down is really important. Okay, just take care and subscribe and tata, and see you next class. And next class will be more I will try to make this every class shorter, because I want to keep your attention is fulfilled. So if it make it bigger, it will be long. So thank you. And that's we just pass lot to class, and wish you get this your what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And